Ever wondered how to make easy, fast, and affordable desserts at home? Well, ponder no more, because today we're diving into the world of natural, homemade desserts that won't break the bank or the clock. First up, we have the classic banana ice cream. To make this, peel and chop 4 ripe bananas, then freeze until solid. Blend the frozen bananas in a food processor until smooth, adding a splash of milk if necessary. And there you have it, a creamy and delicious banana ice cream that rivals any store-bought variety. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity, and of course, the natural sweetness of bananas. Next on the list is a delightful berry chia pudding. Start by adding 1 cup of mixed berries, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk in a jar. Give it a good stir, then seal the jar and leave it in the fridge overnight. By morning, you'll have a refreshing and nutritious chia pudding that's packed with antioxidants from the berries and rich in fiber from the chia seeds. Last but not least, we're making a tantalizing apple crumble. Begin by coring and slicing 4 apples, then place them in a baking dish. In a separate bowl, combine a cup of oats, half a cup of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Mix until crumbly, then scatter this mixture over the apples. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until golden and bubbly. This apple crumble is not only warm and comforting, but also full of wholesome ingredients. These 3 recipes embody the essence of easy, fast, and affordable homemade desserts. They require minimal ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Plus, they're all naturally sweetened, which means you can indulge without worrying about added sugars. So, next time you're craving something sweet, why not whip up one of these desserts? They're not only delicious, but also offer a range of health benefits. From the high fiber content in bananas and chia seeds, to the antioxidants in berries and apples, these desserts are a testament to the fact that eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Enjoy!